Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: your UNHCR registration number, national ID, and current contact details. Once ready, open the UNHCR self-service portal or official mobile app and sign in with your credentials. If you lack an account, create one now using the registration number. This links your profile to UNHCR records. Make sure two-factor methods are set up if prompted. Don't skip verification steps. They prevent delays and ensure the system accepts your upcoming phone number change. You navigate to Profile and then Contact Information, where phone fields appear. Enter the new number with the correct country code and choose whether it's primary or secondary. Once submitted, UNHCR will usually send an SMS verification code. Input that code immediately to confirm ownership. If you don't receive the SMS, request a Resend and Check Network or SIM status. Save changes and wait for the on-screen confirmation, so the system registers the update in linked services. Once done, verify the new number appears in your profile and check recent activity for a timestamped entry. If confirmation never appears or verification fails, try again on a different device or network, then contact your local UNHCR office or official help desk for manual validation. Provide registration number, screenshots, and error messages to speed resolution. One key troubleshooting tip: if SMS fails, ask for an alternative code method or arrange in-person verification to finalize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.